My name is Christopher Grinley. My current job title at Stoke Council is Wellbeing Assessor, but that can be better described as being a social work assistant, which does involve working with adults with learning disabilities, any age, and their carers, which sort of involves putting care plans in place for the client so they can receive the care they need. Or like another good example is finding local community assets for the client with a learning disability so they can feel part of their society and community, and that can involve employment opportunities in local supermarkets, or maybe a local football club like Port Vale and Stoke supporting somebody with a disability to watch their local football team, or even participate in employment or coaching with that football team. Obviously, I've worked for the council for over 10 years now in a number of different council departments with different responsibilities and challenges. And also, one thing I would like to do in the future with me enjoying my role as a social work assistant, I would love to have the privilege to be a qualified social worker one day. I will be doing a social work apprentice course at Staffordshire University and have a good 3-year plan on passing a social work course, then hopefully working at this local authority as a social worker. I believe we do enjoy working in social care and building positive relationships with our clients and carers and helping them to achieve their outcomes in their lives. One part of the job I do like is trying to support my clients to find community assets out there in the community. Because one of my backgrounds is I've been a support worker working with adults with learning disabilities to try find employment opportunities, and I believe that can be a great outcome for the client if they are interested in work where they can get different skills, improve their confidence, and those skills and confidence can transfer in other areas of that client's life, like maintaining their home, living more independently, having more confidence, making new friends. Starting off doing voluntary work, that did involve having the pleasure of going to Africa after university to do work experience, working in a local summer camp and coaching cricket to boys and girls under the age of 13. This was a great achievement in my life because I also was one of the first people to arrange a cricket competition for girls under the age of 13. So to this day, that's still a massive achievement in my life. But my first paid social care opportunity was in 2011 as a support worker working with adults with learning disabilities in helping them to achieve their employment outcomes in life. This involved me supporting them on work placements, helping them to search for jobs and settling into work, and doing travel training to and from work placement. About 2017 or 18, I had the opportunity to be a permanent social work assistant for the learning disability team at Stoke Council. And from there, I've carried on working hard, being organised, worked through a pandemic which had a number of different challenges after the pandemic ended, coming out of the lockdown where the learning disability community still wasn't fully open compared to other aspects of society. That again did cause a number of different challenges. Again, it was using the skills you've learned over the years from education, employment at this local authority to help you overcome those challenges. And it's that experience which I think helped me to give me the confidence to go on to the social work apprentice, which I'm literally fully looking forward to on the 12th of January.